Alright, good morning again. The transmission's back in. Transmission's in! I mean, it's getting close to being done. The power plant frame's in. Can't really see it. Drive shaft's in and all connected. Everything's torqued. Alright, now I'm going to put the coil pack in. The coil pack and all of the spark plug wires are in. I'm really excited. This is the first oil change I've done with the new oil pan kind of setup. So I don't need any tools because I have an easy oil drain valve. All I gotta do is just open it and it drains. I've been waiting to do this. Boom. Look at that. Nothing on my hands. No bolts dropped in there. Nothing. That's kind of dirty. But look at that. I think that's so cool. And it has stood the test of time so far with no leaking at all. Finished draining. And check this out. I'm going to change the oil filter on this thing. Most lawnmower oil filters are bigger than this. Look at that. That looks refreshing. Oh.
That's alright. That's good.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that could happen. So is the engine full now?
Mm-hmm.
So everything's full.
Except probably your heater core.
And this. Oh, does the heater core need to be full?
Mm-hmm.
Do I have to turn the heat on for that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to turn the heat on? It's like 90. Dude, that lifter tick sounds bad.
You got the heater on? I think it's just melting. I think it's just coming off the head. Seems like the lifter tick kind of settled down.
Alright, as you saw, we got it running. It starts. The lifter tick was really bad, but I think that's just from it sitting for a while. We've had it warmed up, the fans have turned on, everything's gotten nice and warm. Lifter tick went away mostly. Drove it around a little bit. Feels phenomenal. It has never felt this good before. The gear shifts and the clutch, I mean, it is a new clutch and the transmission's been rebuilt. It feels amazing. It feels healthier. It has had a whine. It sounds like it's supercharged, which is cool, but it's not. So that's new. Other than the whine, it sounds pretty good. Let's get to it. Yeah, I love this thing. Fresh leather door panels. And I've bought some new goodies. There's these little caps right here that hide the nut for the arms. I just painted over those. I bought new replacement ones. Yeah, these are super shot. Yeah, see, that was already cracking some more. I just painted over these, try and save them. Here's the nice new ones, all flexible and healthy. Boom, done. A little modification that just makes things nicer. All squishy, mobile. Alright, little modifications done. The beauty. Yeah, I'm happy with it. These are new leather door panels. The little cups right here, not the actual handle, but the cups, those are new. Armrest is still the same, and the speaker cover is the same. This whole top portion and the lower everything is all leather now. It was vinyl. I think it was vinyl. It's all new. It's all leather. The old one had like a pretty good-sized ding in it over here, and they're just worn out, and these are all nice. Have some padding. They feel great. They look great. And there's the other side. There's something moving around over here. I hope that's just a squirrel. The door panels I bought are great. They're in 2 pieces. All nice new leather. They're ABS plastic, so they're going to last a lot longer. You do have to alter them because they are just a blank canvas. You have to cut parts out for whatever you have on your car, whether it be manual windows or not, or if you want the armrest, or if you want the speaker cut out. You got to do that. It's kind of a lot of work. It's worth it, but you got to be really careful because you only get one shot, and they're a little pricey. So keep that in mind if you buy them. I do recommend them since that's like the only place that I can find new door panels is Mas Miata. I'm just gabbing at this point. I don't know what I'm even talking about. Goodbye. Was that dude naked?
How much boost are you running?
Well, about 0.
For real?
Yeah.
What was that?
It's my timing belt. It's too tight. I need to loosen it.
That's crazy.
The cop looked at me. I do the old super U-turn. My diff don't feel right at all. I'm gonna proceed to Dang. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.